Hello, this is Soundout here, back with part 2 of Human Alliance Bumblebee. This time, we have the Human Alliance Bumblebee, and, I'm starting this review like any other review, not a second part to a video. What the heck is going on with me today? Hello, this is Soundout here, back with another G.I. Joe review, this time of G.I. Joe, The Rise of Cobra Commander. Yeah, I'll let you get that out of his way. He looks nothing like the Cobra Commander you know. I'm saying this with two hands here. Yeah, he's very different. I'll just give you a zoom in here. Yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, it shows his bronze instead of covering them up. Alright, but overall, cool figure. This is one of the rare figures, so far. I only saw one of him at a brand new Walmart store. Anyway, Cobra Commander is part of the second wave of the... I just spun in my chair. Weird. It's part of the second wave of the G.I. Joe Rise of Cobra figures. Restart. Hello, this is Soundout here, back with another... Oh, I hit the camera. This is review fatigue going on. Hello, this is Soundout here, back with another G.I. Joe review. This time the G.I. Joe Rise of Cobra Commander. This is a figure part of the second wave of the G.I. Joe toys, and I'll just say this much. He looks nothing like Cobra Commander. You know, people thought making Sideswipe the Corvette in Revenge of the Fallen was bad. Look at Cobra Commander. You can see his scars. He's not covering them up. You can actually see them. Yeah. It's clear plastic over her head, which I wish you could take the mask off. That'd be cool. I'm calm in this review because it's very warm in here. Because my light is bright. And I'm just talking weirdly like I'm in a sauna reviewing a toy. I'm just gonna add this to the blooper reel. That'd be fun. Hello, this is Soundout here, back with another G.I. Joe I don't know what I'm saying. Hello, this is Soundout here, back with another G.I. Joe The Rise of Cobra review, this time of Cobra Commander! Yes!